I just did this problem using polynomial division. Now I'm going to do it using synthetic division. Synthetic division, I think, is inarguably easier than polynomial division. That's the good news. There's an easier way of doing it. The bad news is you can't always use synthetic division. Okay? You can use synthetic division if you're dividing by like x plus something or x minus something. That's when you can use synthetic division. Used when dividing by x plus k or x minus k, where k is just a number. It's just x plus something or x minus something. Okay, so we can use synthetic division here. And here's how we do it. We put whatever x plus 3, whatever makes that 0, goes out front. So don't put 3 out front, we put negative 3 out front. Okay, so that negative 3 is what makes the bottom here 0. It's like this is the 0, that's the factor, and that's the 0. Now we write all the coefficients of our numerator. So I start with a 4. Then I have a negative 4. Then I have a negative 2. I have 0 x's. And then 5. So we start with all the coefficients. Okay. So now we take this first number and we bring it down. That's 4. Now we multiply. Negative 3 times 4 gives you negative 12, and then you add. You multiply. Negative 3 times negative 16, and then you add. So you just keep multiplying and adding. So multiply, you get a 138, and we add. We multiply, and we add. So it's a series of just multiplyings and adds. Don't subtract like polynomial division, you add. Okay, so we're done. We just have to write out our answer. So this right here is the remainder. This is just the number. This is the x. That's the x squared. And that's the x cubed. You just start with remainder, and then the constant or the number, and the x squared, and the x cubed. And we can then write out our answer. So our answer would be 4x cubed minus 16x squared plus 46x minus 138 plus 419 over whatever we were dividing by, because that's our remainder. So divided by x plus 3. So if you notice, we got the same answer as when we did polynomial division. Alright, time for you to try one with synthetic division. Alright, try dividing those. So we put 2 out front, 4, negative 6, and 5. Bring down the 4. Then you just keep multiplying and adding. 2 times 4 is 8. And add. And multiply. And add. How many got that so far? Okay, so most of us. So now this is my remainder. Remainder, there's your number, there's your x. So I get 4x plus 2, remainder 9. So it'd be 4x plus 2 plus 9 over x minus 2. Okay, how many got that complete answer? Good. Looks like we like synthetic division a little better. It's quite a bit easier. Okay, so we could sit up here and do example after example, but you might as well just try the examples in your assignment, and I'm happy to do them up here or on the board as you're stumbling through this stuff.